Hey everyone, it's Colin here with Vancouver Yacht Sales. I'm in beautiful downtown Vancouver, British Columbia. And today we are going to go check out a 1978 Hughes 35 classic sailboat. Why don't you come check it out? Okay, everyone, there's that walkthrough of that beautiful 1975 Hughes 35-foot sailboat. She's right behind me. She's gorgeous. She is ready for you. So if you're in the market for a new sailboat, or you're buying, trading, selling, importing, exporting, give us a call at VancouverYachtSales.com.